everybody, my name is Kara and I dance for Celebrity Cruises. This is Macy. Hi. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have our office run for our show called Life, and we are getting ready right now to just go do a full out run before lunch, and then after lunch we're gonna do a full run, hair and makeup, wearing all black. So I'll take you through our office run. An office run is where the office, it is MLK Day, so it'll be mostly other casts from other ships come and watch us. And it's our last one before we get on the ship in T-minus 3 days.
Wow.
Morning. So Starbucks was closed because it's MLK Day. I'm not gonna stop. She's just...
That's what I will announce that this is...
Hey,
Sasha?
Hi. You can do like beep on
I will.
mother beep.
I'll beep it. Don't even worry. Oh, okay. You look beautiful.
Hi.
You look beautiful.
I really don't, but that's fine.
Always. Hi.
Hey, happy office run day. It's currently 10 a.m. on the dot. Warm up should be starting, so...
Actually, no, we're setting up for a half hour.
Oh, well then, never mind. I obviously didn't read the sketch.
No. Hey, Josh.
We're setting up the room, guys.
Room is getting currently set up.
Justin says we're ready, so we gotta be ready. Yes, Macy. Get it, girl. What Justin says goes. Like, this is everything, right? Like, we're just full out run.
2%.
Dual harmonics, baby. 2 notes at once.
Wait, can I be a thumbnail? Like, can you like crop me out? Like,
We have to, it's just random. Are you ready? Josh is ready. Every time. Hi. All right, gonna put this away now. We just finished You Got Something I Need. That's our first song. Then we've got Heartbeat song. All right, I gotta go on stage. Bye. We just did Happy. And then Ava and I are gonna go bring on the couch. For couch. Slam us away. I just did Burning Up, which is a salsa section. And I'm dead. It's the best time we've done it though. Really on time. Thanks, sun. You know we're gonna do I lift and bows and that's it.
that's it.
Easy money. Easy money. We're at full show. We're gonna do some notes and then we're gonna go get lunch and get ready for the actual office run where you'll get to see all the behind the scenes. Once again, part 3. I'm eating lunch and say hi to the vlog, Brookie. My sister. You haven't seen her yet. Oh, she is in the New York vlog. She made me cry because she said she started crying because she misses me and she's proud of me, and then I cried. This is the hair. I'm gonna probably curl a ponytail if I have time. Haley's working on her makeup. Beautiful. And Macy's working on her hair. She's cooking right now. Yes, girl. Get it? We're starting makeup, people. Always sunscreen. The face is done-ish. The face itself. Yeah, the face is looking good. All right. And then we gotta do the eyes. Let's do the eyes. Really? I just have to do lips now and then we're done. Haley's done. Beautiful. I'm listening to Hamilton on my AirPods, and I think it's what I'm gonna do all the time. We high-key have to be in the studio in 3 minutes, so we're speed walking. But we did our makeup. Just laying, I curled my hair.
Not the show being half an hour.
The show starts in a half hour. Run, 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 run. But every time I actually have to be there at a certain time, I feel like the studio's further away than it should be. Anyway, we're actually just warming up here. Okay, let's go. That's about as far as I can get right now.
This is Yasan. This is me before the 3rd office run.
This is Christina. Hi, beautiful girl. Your makeup really does look so good. Thank you. There she is. All right, we're gonna warm up for Life. Weird. Thank you.
Action shots.
Give me a split, give me a split, give me a split. All the footage. Do a cool move, do something cool. Yeah, that's it, that's it, that's it. Give me a stretch or something. Give me something. Yes. Beautiful. Who do we got back there?
Well, they're practicing, so is he. Yes. Oh, hey. Nice. So this show doesn't really have a plot.
It's just about life, honestly.
It's just about life.
It's life. The show Life is about life.
I'm gonna put in a clip next. I'm actually playing a pregnant lady at the beginning of the show. He's my hubby, so.
I'm the baby daddy.
Yeah, so we're just gonna put that in there right now, and yeah.
And then we'll be back.
Creek crack progress out of here. It's like. Go, Sasha. Nice. Nice extensions there.
Yeah.
Hey.
Hi.
Did you bring your tissues with you?
I actually did not today.
See,
I have
if you would have brought them, I wouldn't.
I have medicine back there for you. Hi. Hi. Sorry.
Let's go.
What do you want to do this shit?
Keebs, you made it up.
I know, but I forgot.
EUR6, let's go out and do this shit!
That's good.
Thank you.
Just like the beginning section though, that's pretty good. We have Happy next, which is like my area, my all this fun stuff, so see you in a bit. We just did Happy and that's like a lot. But so good. It was a full lot. This is me before burning up. I actually got an elbow to the face from burning up, so I couldn't take a video after because I was but we just did Light in the Sun and Hold My Hand. It went okay. I had one brain fart, but like whatever. Now we're about to go on for I Live, just the last number, and then that's it. Oh, let's see it. Hey. There's mom and dad. Mom and dad. That's mom and dad. Right. Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna prank Justin BRB.
We finished our run of life. Now we're presetting for Topper again, our last show from the last vlog. And now we're gonna basically do all our shows tomorrow before we leave in 2 days.
We're off to take some photos in front of the anchor sign. We're off to take some photos.
Oh wait, can you fix my hood so I don't...
Ready?
tailings.
Are you going to be able to get all our heads in it?
Oh, girls in there. Girls. And Humberto, can you guys go? Because they're looking this way.
Wait, where's the camera? Everyone feet up. So cash.
There we go.
I know. By the way, if you're going to take a selfie, take it in this light. Hi there.
Do this. Wait.
So, this is my vlog. She said, vlog girl. Oh, the angles. Oh my good God. In another world, I would have been able to.
3, 2, 1. Wait, 3, 2, 1.
Wow.
Ah, they are two of them. This is the big house, and I just pulled it. No way.
Hi.
Last office run done.
Yeah, we did it. All right, let's go. All right, everybody, that is the office run vlog for our show called Life. As you can tell, I am exhausted. I am so tired, so we're gonna cut it off here. We leave in T-minus 2 days. It's crazy. I'm so excited though. Stay tuned for some more super fun videos and some videos when I actually get on the ship. So like, subscribe, do all the things, and thanks for watching. Bye.